Hey guys, today I'm coming to you from a little area of Brookings that people just love. And once you see it, you're gonna know why. Welcome to 1533 Orchard Drive right here in Brookings, South Dakota. Let's go take a look, shall we? This home sits right in one of Brookings' best kept spots. I should know, I lived in this area for over 25 years. You're tucked into a mature neighborhood, surrounded by tree-lined streets and friendly neighbors all around. You've got everything you need within a few blocks. Hy-Vee, Walmart, gas stations, fitness centers, and even the hospital are all nearby. Want to grab a coffee or meet friends for lunch? You are not far from anything. And let's not forget about the Dakota Nature Park or Hillcrest Park. Great spots for play, picnics, and all of those let's get out of the house kind of days. This neighborhood brings the best of convenience, tucked near the action on a key street that's among the first to get cleared in the wintertime. Whether you're commuting, catching an SDSU game, or just out and about, this location keeps life smooth and simple. And now the cherry on top. This 2-bedroom townhome is a true low-maintenance townhome. One-level living, fresh paint, updated fixtures, all the appliances are included, and a 2024 roof. Oh, and the HOA takes care of lawn and the exterior insurance. So you've got less to do and more time to enjoy life. So if you're looking for comfort, convenience, and a neighborhood that just feels right, this could be your next move. We're the Brookings Home Team. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye for now.